and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. It's the last Monday in October, whatever that means. Last night, I had a major success. As you know, I've been working on a new garam masala blend. I used it last night to make garam masala chicken. It's perfect. I added no other than salt and pepper, because Indian food is notorious for being hot. I added no heat because, one, there is no chile in garam masala. There's not supposed to be. That's where curry comes in. So, no heat. I just wanted to test out the blend. It's excellent. It is super, super good. Full of flavor. It's balanced. Yeah. Get this one. This is a good one. Today, I'm not cooking because Robin and her brother are having a brother-sister date. Today would have been their mother's 93rd birthday. So they're going out. So I'm having leftover garam masala chicken. Probably over rice. But today, because I got an order from one of my companions from the farmer's market, I'm putting together a Greek seasoning blend and a batch of garam masala. Cool. All right, let's show you what's going on here. Yep, counter's clear. These are the ingredients for my Greek seasoning blend. Quite a bit. Yeah, it comes from all over my kitchen because I have things stored in various places. And this is the ingredients -2 because they're in the Greek for the garam masala. Got all my goodies over here for weighing, and I actually do weigh everything because it's a better, more precise measurement when you're doing this, and it's easy to double, triple, or whatever. So actually, I want to show you. These are my Cambros that I store all of my bulk goodies in. As you can see, I need to do a little reorganizing. Because I have one basically I did these a long time ago. So this one was set aside for Mexican herbs and spices, and this one was set aside for Indian herbs and spices. But they have crossed over back and forth. And I added the third one here very recently in the last few months because I had so much overflow. And just, yeah. So, I got a busy day ahead of me. Plus, I'm shipping out a jar of the garam masala up to Washington to Ernie and Lee. Yeah, we're swapping stuff back and forth. I send them herbs and spices. They send me liquor. I think it's a good deal. So on this Monday, and by the way, by the time this day is over, my nose again is going to be wasted. Yeah. All right. On this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.